It's a time of Christmas and New Year, and everyone around the world are celebrating the joy of these festivals. And for that, I searched on the internet for some gadgets that you can gift to any gamer or your special ones. So here are top 10. Stay with me till the end of this video. The very first gift you can give to anyone is gift cards, because these cards and membership will add specific amounts of credits in gaming account, and these are downloadable contents and subscription. And I found 4 different gift cards and membership cards from the internet. The number one is Xbox membership and gift card. This membership card offers 2 games every month, and you will get up to 50% off on selection of any Xbox series, Xbox One or Xbox 360. With the help of gift card, you can pre-order or pre-download the game from Xbox direct to your gaming console. The second is PlayStation gift card. If you own PlayStation, or if you want to give someone a PlayStation gift card, you can surely give with an exclusive deals and discount. The third is Nintendo gift card. This gift card is surely to gift anyone who loves to do Nintendo gaming so much, or you can gift even an individual who loves Nintendo. You can even gift a Roblox gift card to one who loves to play Roblox so much. Let's talk about some gadgets now. The second gadget is definitely for adventure lovers. This gadget is really made for kids and as well as adults. This SG906 Pro, the drone which can stay in the air up to 30 minutes and can do multiple stunts like air flipping, air hold and much more. The drone is super lightweight and can be carried anywhere. It has 2 batteries with 90-degree wide lens with 2 extra blades. The fun thing is that this gadget is so much small that it can even fit into your palm and can be foldable. Moving on to our third product, the third gadget is the tiny version of a big gaming retro machine. The third gadget is Retro Machine Arcade. A tiny retro machine with almost 200 games preloaded with adjustable sound and music. This gadget is must give to a kid or anyone who loves 90s gaming or want to experience the 90s gaming world. The gadget is really small, about 5.7 inch in height, and the gadget also has rechargeable batteries. The fourth product is the solution of cleaning the areas and the places where your hands can't reach. The gadget is wireless vacuum cleaner. This vacuum cleaner is really lightweight and powerful with 4 kPa of suction power. The device is intended for cleaning your car, but it can be used to clean your desktop, keyboards or other gadgets. The device comes along with the various components, and these components are washable. Moving on to our fifth gadget. The fifth gadget is LED light display panel. The gadget is made for setting up your desktop and decorate with some creativity. The gadget has 16 million colors with vivid pixel art and animation. The panel has various features like alarm feature that will help you to be on your task. The gadget is portable and it has own app so that you can set your own custom animation. The next gadget will really test your intelligence and problem solving skills. This gadget is Rubik's Cube, but it's not an ordinary. It is a stickerless Rubik's Cube with an application connected with via Bluetooth. It's a 3x3 dimension. The app has step-by-step interactive tutorial and offers a multiplayer mode to compete with other players all around the world. But if you want to gift someone an extraordinary item, then hang on. This Mario Kart is perfect gift for you or to any kid. Created by Nintendo, this radio control car is super awesome with their augmented reality. It's a real-life Mario Kart gaming where a car does real racing control by Nintendo Switch. You can even make more creative by placing different obstacles in your home with your own in-game environments. There are also multiplayer modes available. Another cool fact about this is you won't see a course or any opponent in a game, but when you hit a boost in a game, the car will automatically speed up, and if you hit some objects, the car will automatically slow down. Truly, this gadget will give you an immense experience of Mario Kart and you will have real fun with friends. The next gadget is for someone who has a desktop and has multiple devices but want to control the desktop's device in once. This is a cyberpunk themed desktop controller which is designed to give an esports or gamers to give an edge. The device is really cool to take breaks during long sessions. It has a 4 futuristic and mechanical programmable keypads. It is such a powerful gadget that it will control the startup of your PC. It has active voice recognition of music and CPU monitoring, and the gadget also comes with pixel size games so you can enjoy in your free time. The device is not portable and needs to be connected with your PC's USB port. The next gadget is for someone who is looking to take their gameplays on a big screen. Then this curved gaming monitor is definitely built for them. This is KTC gaming monitor with 165Hz of refresh rate, which is compatible with FreeSync and G-Sync. The monitor has 1500 radius of wide display with resolution of 2560 by 1440p. The monitor offers 120% standard RGB of color gamut. The monitor is perfect for FPS, RTS and RAC lovers. The key advantage which I personally like is it prevents motion blur and creates a smooth gaming experience. But if you want to give something really big to any car lover or who want to experience the power driving of the racetracks and different cars at home, then this racing set is specially gift for them. This is Alpine Racing TRX car racing gaming set which comes with 5 different components. The seat is adjustable and comfortable with car's pedal, and it is also compatible with Xbox, PC and PlayStation. This incredible gaming set offers you an experience of professional drivers and enthusiasts. While these tech and gaming ideas are fantastic, but we must also embrace the spirit of giving and compassion this season, whether through the thoughtful present or a kind gesture. Let's also share the joy of Christmas with others, and let's remember the true meaning of Christmas. It's more than just the gifts, but it's about the birth of Jesus Christ, which is a symbol of love and forgiveness. Alright, that's for this week. Let's lock up the house. See you next week with something incredible. Till then, shalom to you. Subscribe for more gaming and tech videos like this.